Most people look at a smart car and think, there's no way all of that is fitting in there. Well, we decided to find out. We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels. We roll, we camp, and yeah, we play. People always ask us the same questions when they see our smart car, Zippy. Do you have room for groceries? And can you actually take a trip in it? As it turns out, Zippy is a lot more practical than most people expect. Let's start with groceries. Looking at this shopping cart, it doesn't seem possible that all of this will fit inside such a tiny car. After all, most people assume there's barely enough room for 2 people. But once we start loading, we quickly discover that Zippy has more room than it appears. Bag after bag disappears into the car, and somehow we still aren't out of space. The cargo area behind the seats holds quite a bit, and with only 2 seats, there's even more room available than most people realize. Before long, the entire shopping cart is loaded. Not bad for a car that many people think is too small for everyday life. But groceries are one thing. What about a road trip? Can Zippy really handle luggage for an extended vacation? To find out, we loaded up for an 8-day trip from Georgia to Kansas. That means clothes, shoes, toiletries, camera gear, coolers, and all the other things that somehow find their way into your luggage. Looking at the pile outside the car, we're not completely convinced it's all going to fit. But once again, Zippy surprises us. The larger bags go in first, then the smaller bags, then all the extras. Every available inch of space gets used. And before long, everything is packed and ready to go. With the luggage loaded, we hit the road, and the driver could actually see out the back window. Now, we're not going to tell you Zippy is the perfect road trip vehicle, because honestly, it isn't. The short wheelbase and light weight means you feel every bump, crack, and pothole in the road. A trip across town? No problem. A multi-day road trip? Let's just say you've been traveling by the end of the day. But Zippy is fun to drive, easy to park, easy on fuel, and far more practical than most people expect. So what's the verdict? Can it handle groceries? Absolutely. Can it handle luggage for an 8-day road trip? Without a problem. Is it the most comfortable touring car ever built? Not even close. But for 2 people, Zippy proves that good things really do come in small packages. And before we go, there's one more question people always ask. Is it safe? A lot of folks look at Zippy and assume it can't be very safe because of its size. But smart cars built by Mercedes-Benz are built around a reinforced steel safety cage called the Tritium cell, along with many airbags and other safety features designed to help protect the occupants. No vehicle is accident-proof, but Smart puts a lot more engineering into these little cars than most people realize. After owning Zippy, we can honestly say it's a lot more car than most people give it credit for. We love it. Did you ever own a smart car? Or would you consider driving one? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for rolling with Watts on Wheels. Want to help our channel grow? Hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and click that bell, or we'll come Jeep chasing ya. Hey, and leave us a comment. Even a quick hello makes our day. So roll, camp, play, and maybe fix something and have a beer.